So we'll be discussing about S3 service. In S3 service, we'll be discussing about encryption, default encryption. So now first I'll create a bucket. I'll create a bucket as my bucket, new, some name. I'm just giving random name. Then I'll be choosing a region. Which region? You have to choose a region, then only you have to create. Once you have created the bucket name and you have chosen region, you cannot change it, but you can delete it, but you cannot change it. So choose it very carefully. And then now coming down, we have your default encryption. So we have AWS S3 managed keys. If you enable this and create bucket and upload any objects, everything will be taken care by S3 managed keys. Okay, nothing, you're not going to do anything over there. Everything will be taken care by S3. Okay, just go create, upload any buckets, it will get encrypted, and it is everything taken care by Amazon S3 managed key. So this is server side encryption. What is server side encryption? Encryption, once I'm uploading it to the server, then the encryption is going to take place. See, now I am creating bucket, then I'm uploading object, then the encryption is going to take place. That is nothing but server side encryption. Okay, so now here, now you guys are clear with Amazon S3 managed keys. So today we'll be discussing about AWS key management service. So AWS key management service will go. This is a different service. Key management service. It has two keys, symmetric and asymmetric keys. Symmetric keys means it has only one key for both encryption and for decryption. And we have asymmetric keys. It has separate keys for encryption and decryption purpose. Okay, now we are going to create a KMS keys. Okay, we'll go to create. So here you can see symmetric, asymmetric. I am choosing symmetric key, encryption and decryption. We'll go to advanced settings, KMS and regionality. You want single region or multi-region. This key should be used in only single region, in North Virginia region. If you want to use the same key in all the regions, you can go with multi-region key. So I'll choose single region. Next, North Virginia only it will be. So I'll give our name as yeah, okay, new key, North Virginia. Okay, description is optional, but I'll just give same description itself. Okay, coming down, next, again I'm not going to give anyone access now. So here we have Alex, Bob, Esther we created, right? So I'm not giving him permission to delete the key also. Coming down, next, okay, define key usage permissions. I'm not giving any permissions as of now. Next, finish. Okay, so now that my key is created, North Virginia. This is not this key, new key, North Virginia, right? So now I'll go to S3. I'll choose from your AWS KMS keys, which is my key, new new key, not new key also, new key North Virginia I have created. No, you can see, yeah, this new key North Virginia, this is the key I have created. So now I'll go enable. In advanced settings we have object lock, just leave, don't worry about that, we'll discuss later. So I'm enabling object key. Coming down, I am going to create. Okay, now I have created a bucket and I have created with encryption using KMS key, right? So I will upload any object to this bucket. Now I'll go to this bucket, I'll go to property, sorry, upload, then go to add files, I'll upload, permissions, properties, we have storage class our side. Okay, fine, upload. Okay, I have uploaded. Now I'll give like I want to get access to this. This is a root user, right? So I'll get into this permissions. I'll try to give access to that object publicly. Okay, enable save changes, because while creating bucket by default it will be private. If I want to give access to public, I have to enable the public access. Again, coming down, object ownership, I'll enable ACLs. I acknowledge, save changes. Okay, now I'll go to this object, click here, copy URL, I'll paste. I'll get error. Why I'm getting error? I made public everything. Why I'm getting error? No. Did you guys understand the scenario? Whatever I did now, everything understood, right? I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Now bucket is public. I went to bucket. In bucket, I gave public access, enabled the unchecked that public access, and I enabled ACS. That is only for bucket level. But object level, it is private only still. We have to go here, go to actions, go make public using ACLs. So make public. Successfully done. Come here. Still I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Code invalid argument. Server side encryption with AWS key managed. Okay, we'll try it. Close. Come new. Open. See, we are getting clear. So now this is the root user, right? Now I'll go to IAM service. Now we'll go to IAM. So in IAM, yesterday I created users. User as Alex or Bob. So now I'll go to Alex. So now Alex is having Amazon S3 full access, right? Okay. He is having Amazon S3 full access. Now I'll go to security credentials and copy his link, console link, copy, paste, enter. So his name is Alex and his password. Okay. Sign in. Okay. Alex at 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I logged in as Alex and Alex is having S3 full access, right? So now I'll go to S3. I'll go to buckets. I'll go to my bucket. This was a bucket which I created. Now I'll try to open this. I'll get error. Why? No, he has S3 full access. No. See now, Alex is having S3 full access. No, then he's having S3 full access. But thing is like default encryption, we went and created KMS key. Right, in KMS key, I have not given any user any permission. Using that key only he can decrypt this. Right, he cannot open. It is encrypted now. It is in encryption format. To decrypt, he want KMS key. Now he doesn't have KMS key permission, right? So now, yeah. So now We'll go back. So we'll go to root user. So go to sign into the console. Uh, so now we'll get into S3. We'll go to this bucket and we'll come to properties. In properties, default encryption. Come edit. Okay, it's already created. We have to go to KMS because there we have to give the permission, right? Key management service. It is securely going to generate and manage the keys, right? So we'll go to customer managed key. In customer managed key, we created new key North Virginia. So I'll go to this new key North Virginia, come down, key administrator. Who can access this key? I'm giving the permission. So I'll come down, add, I'll give access only to Alex. Now Alex can access that bucket and that object. Add and come down. Key deletion. I'm not giving you any permission. Key users. The following IAM users and roles can use this key for cryptographic operations. They can all allow AWS services that are integrated with KMS to use the key on their behalf. So I'll give access to Alex only and come down. I'm not giving any access to other accounts. Okay, fine. Now Alex has got the permission. Now again, I'll go to IAM. Go to the user. User is Alex. Uh, I'll go to security credentials, copy this console sign in link, paste. So Alex at 1 2 3 4 5. So now we'll go to S3. This is the IAM user, Alex. In this, we'll go to S3. So in S3, we'll go to this bucket. So now we'll open this. Open. See, now he's getting permission. Why? Because KMS key, that key, he's having that permission. This particular user is having the permission to access this object. Okay.